And you don't miss stuff. He's not wanting any of this. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. Today's video is just the giveaway for the GTShine towel. So guys, I did a video on the GTShine drying towel a couple of weeks ago. So I apologize for not putting this out sooner. My Mac crashed. I had to redo a bunch of videos and it was a pain. So I actually lost some content. Not really lost content, but I lost the videos that I had made. So I had to redo them. It was a big pain in the neck. So I apologize for not putting this out sooner. But let's announce the winner to the GTShine towel. And what you're going to see is the choosing of the winner. So Bob Hen, congratulations, you won the small GT towel. So what I'm going to do is send your information over to GTShine and they'll handle the rest of the shipping and get the towel to you right away. Hi, buddy. Whoa, careful with those claws. Hey. Oh, I know. Oh, you're so neglected. I just fed you. You're fine. Hey. Aww. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Just wanted to... That's Mister's tail. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I just wanted to announce the winner for the GTShine towel. So Bob, when you get the towel, let me know how you like it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week, and you don't miss stuff. He's not wanting any of this. No, I don't like it. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.